You need a zooming in video in your timeline with an object in the center like this mountain video. First, place your playhead at the start of the clip. Go to Inspector and click on the keyframes for zoom and position. Next, move the playhead to the end of the video and click on the keyframes again. This value will be the final ones for the video. Now go back to the start of the clip and increase the zoom value. Adjust the position to keep the mountain centered in the video. What we're doing here is zooming out a video that's already zooming in, and that's it. Go to these effects, select text and then text pass. Cut the unnecessary part from the timeline. You need to keep the video layer above and below the text, so you need to duplicate it. And then let's go to the fusion page. Here you can press Ctrl space and then search for magic mask. Add it and then use the dropper to pick out the image or the object. Now we need to drag it. Click on this button and wait. DaVinci will track the object in every frame of the video that we have. And once that done, let's go back to the edit page, add the text and add effects. We can rename it, change the color, change the font, resize it, add stroke or anything you like. So let's see the result. First, take your clip and put it on the edit page. Go to effects and under titles select text and put it below your video clip. Cut it to the 2/3 of the video clip. Select the video and under composite select multiply. Now select the text clip and then adjust the font or the size of the text you want. Then go to the settings and enable dynamic zoom. Then click on swap. Again, select dynamic zoom and drag the red rectangle inside one of the letters. Now use the blade tool and cut the extra part of the video clip. Click on it, go to composite and select normal. First, arrange few clips in your timeline that are 5 frames or longer. Go to effects, then from effects select an adjustment clip. Place it 1 frame over your timeline, remove the rest. Go to open effects and select the transform effect and drag it over the adjustment clip. Now go to the inspector and add a keyframe at the beginning of the adjustment clip. Then move the playhead to the end of your clip and change the zoom to 1.2 or 1.3. Go to animation and enable motion blur to the full. Now remove the extra frame from the adjustment blur and copy and duplicate it all over your clips. Line up 5 clips, each 10 frames long in sequence. Select the second clip and drag it backwards over the first clip by 3 frames. Repeat this process, stacking each clip over the previous one by 3 frames. Go to Effects, open FX and select the transform effect and drag it onto the second clip. Place the playhead at the start of the second clip and open the inspector. Drag the Y position to 0.5 and click the keyframe button. Move the playhead to the end of the first clip and set the Y position to 0. Scroll down, click on animation and drag it all the way to the right. And then repeat the steps for these remaining clips. Add a video to your timeline and place the playhead at the point where you want to start the zoom in. Go to the inspector and click on the keyframe for zoom. Place shift right arrow to move the playhead 1 second forward. Increase the zoom value. Here I'll set it to 4. This completes the zoom in. Now let's zoom out. Again, press shift right arrow to move the playhead 1 second forward and click on the keyframe for zoom. Again, press shift right arrow. Then decrease the value for zoom from 4 to 1. That's it.